Good morning. In this video, we shall understand how to do the selection, copy, move and paste. First, we shall type the paragraph. So that we shall first make the font size bigger one and the required font style. Whichever the font style you want, you can select. So I am selecting little the fat font so that it is clear and understandable. We can change the color according to our requirement. I select a maroon. Now we shall type the paragraph. The cat is drinking a cup of milk. It is finding it very salty but still it tried to continue drinking the milk. But it was difficult to drink. So it ran away from the cup without completing it. So now you can see there is FORM form is there. Computer will find out even the grammar mistake also. So we can check the mistakes by right clicking and get the correct sentence. So now here we have cat. The cat we can replace with typing some other word. Here in the status bar of the window, we can do it without deleting it. We have here overtype. So right click on status bar and get the overtype. Now again we can see on the status bar the overtype is come and insert. So overtype. So we shall first do overtype dog. So you can see the cat has been replaced by just typing dog without deleting it. Automatically it deletes when overtype is selected. We shall do once again. We can see here overtype is there and then we shall type as curd. So milk is being replaced by curd without deleting it. Now we shall click on the insert. Click again, we get insert. We shall add some sentence in between the two sentence. So you can see the sentence is shifting to the next when we are typing the sentence. This is called insert the text. So it got confused. Is it drinking milk or curd? So we can see the sentences are shifting to the down without deleting. This is what we call it as inserting the text. without disturbing the other sentences. The new sentence we included in between the sentence. So when we have insert, we can do that. Now when we do overtype, we see it is deleting and inserting the new text. So when we click on the overtype, we get the words deleted and new text is written on it. So now we shall understand about other facts. So first let me highlight it so that it is easy for you to understand what we are learning. Just double clicking on the word, we can select the word. Double click and select the word. So we shall understand now about the delete and the control delete. First we shall try out with the delete. Every letter it will delete. When we press the delete key, it deletes every letter. Now you can see undo button. We can get back the deleted letters. Once again we shall do. This is redo button. Whatever it is being deleted by undo, it is gaining back. Undo will and redo. Just observe what the undo does and what the redo does. Now the whole word we shall, one complete word we shall delete. How to delete it? We have to click on the beginning of the line and press the control button and delete button. The word is deleted. We shall do once again. This is another one. Control and backspace. Press control key and backspace. Now once again we shall do using control and delete, control button and delete button. The word is deleted. Now from the backspace button we can do control and backspace. So we can see from the cursor left, from the cursor right, how the delete and backspace is used. So undo button will bring back those deleted words what we have done, and redo button does what we have done through the undo button. Right. Now we shall using redo button. Redo once again. Now undo. Right. Now you can understand the difference between the undo and redo button. Now we shall have to use understanding copy, cut and paste commands. So we can see that these are not active. So once we are not active, we cannot use it. Now we shall have to make active, means we have to select it. To select it, use triple click to select the paragraph. So now the paragraph is selected. Now you can see these two are active. We'll first go for copy and we can see the paste is active now. Click on the last line of the paragraph, press enter and press the paste button. So once the copy is done, the paste can be used many times. We can see the paragraph is being again. Now we can use the control V. Control V if we press the shortcut key on the keyboard to paste the command. So we have now 4 paragraphs. which we have pasted. Now we shall understand how to color it. Triple click on the paragraph and then color the desired color. Triple click on the paragraph and select the color. 3 times clicking on the paragraph does the selection and it is select the color. So like this we can color the paragraph. So now we shall understand about the copy and the paste. So to copy we have to use the select. Select the sentence, clicking there, and we shall first use the cut and click over there and click on the paste. Now you can see the sentence from this paragraph is removed and put over there. Once again we click and select and click on the cut and click on the place where we want to paste it and then click on the paste. So we can see the selected sentence is removed from the paragraph and put into the other place. Once again triple click and entire paragraph we will cut. Click on the cut or press Ctrl X. Ctrl X. Now the paragraph is cut, removed from its original place. Move down and click in the bottom and press Ctrl V or paste button. So from this original place the paragraph is removed and put into the end. So this is how the cut is used. So children learn and practice how to cut and paste. So we can save it also. Once we click on the close button, the dialog box comes asking you to save. Click on the save button and onto the desktop. For your reference you can save it, typing it as MS Word, selecting, and we can click on the save.